How to fix WhatsApp web not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up a Google Chrome and head over to WhatsApp web. And if it's not working, then go to the three dots on the top right and then scroll down, go to settings. On the left-hand side, go to Privacy and Security and tap on Delete Browsing Data. And then you can select the time range, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, all time. Just choose one and then make sure that you tick browsing history, cookies and other site data and cache images and files. So after you delete the data, it might help to solve any issues that is happening with the WhatsApp web. Now, another option is to go to reset settings and restore settings to the original default can also help. And then scroll down, go to About Chrome, and then this will automatically check for updates and make sure that the Google Chrome is updated to the latest version. Sometimes Google Chrome not updating might also be the issue. So if your Google Chrome is updated, then lastly, you might want to check extensions. And if there are any extensions, make sure you remove it because sometimes extensions also causes glitches and errors. So that's it. I hope one of the solution helps you out. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.